Facebook, YouTube, right here, AOCleaning. Happy Friday the 14th. We are in beautiful Waterloo, Illinois today. This client found us online. We're doing a total of 7 areas, and we're going to reprotect 2 areas of carpet with Scotch Guard Protector. And they're excited. Like I said, they bought this house. They gave us a phone call last week, saw reviews, testimonials, and all the information we provided, and it was a no-brainer. And booked on the spot, and they're excited. So we're going to take care of this house for them and do the 7 areas. We protect the carpet on 2 areas, and another happy client. Again, if you guys are local and want us to service your home, whether it's carpet, tile, upholstery, or your duct cleaning, give us a call. You can visit AOClean.com, or you can find us on Facebook, and of course Google and YouTube. With that said, do us a favor, hit the bell on the YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel, as well as follow us on Facebook. You'd be glad you did. And that will encourage us to do more content like this, adding valuable information for you and your home and your family and loved ones. All right, guys, I'm Ryan with AOCleaning. You have yourself a great day. All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. We're doing, like I said, 7 areas. This is actually a nylon carpet, one of the best carpets you can get. So this is what we highly advise getting if you do have carpet. And typically in middle to upper class homes, they do have this kind of carpeting. But what we're doing now is we're just pre-treating, preconditioning the carpet fibers so we can loosen up the soil and the dirt, so we get that suspended in a suspended state, and then we can safely extract it. So that's what we're doing here now, guys. But it's gonna be a good one, and not too bad. This is really just a maintenance clean, maintaining it. They're moving in, and they want to make sure it's refreshed and in the best state possible so they can enjoy it when it's come. So if you guys ever buy a home, we do recommend getting the carpets cleaned before you move in, as well as your HVAC system cleaned and your floors cleaned as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're upstairs now. This is a polyester carpet, which you know is made from plastic and crushes and mats easy. And we're gonna pre-treat clean this, but this is a contractor grade polyester, guys. So just if you guys have this is what you can expect in terms of longevity. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're upstairs now. This is a polyester carpet, which you know is made from plastic and crushes and mats easy. And we're gonna pre-treat clean this, but this is a contractor grade polyester, guys. So just if you guys have this is what you can expect in terms of longevity. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, another tip of the day. The best line of defense, as you often hear me say, for those of you new to my channel or watching online or on my channel on Facebook, is pre-vacuum your carpeting and your rugs ongoing, at least once or twice a week. How often should you do it? Depends on how many people are in your home. If you got 2 people, twice a week, 3 people, 3 times a week, etc. So I hope that added value to you. So the best line of defense for your soil load and dirt and debris on your flooring is vacuuming. Whether it's your carpet, your rugs, your tile, your hardwood, all those kind of things, guys, is just vacuuming. That's number 1. Number 2 is, of course, get it cleaned professionally every 6 to 12 months, and make sure that your carpeting and your rugs are maintained that way, for not only for hygienic purposes, but also just the overall life of the carpet or the rug. Same with your hard surfaces, guys. Typically speaking, you should get your tile and grout cleaned every couple years, and then get it resealed as well. So that will keep it in a hygienic state, and as well as making it look great for a long time and protect your investment. So little tip of the day, guys. Also get your HVAC cleaned every 7 years, and of course your dryer vent every year as well. So another free tip. For more information, give us a like and a follow and a share. Comment below, and as always, have a great day. Stay clean. All right, guys, you guys know we always provide our literature. So if you do a service with us, we always provide you information on how we can better serve your floor care. So we got the multi-service here. We got the one for duct cleaning, one for hardwood, and of course our price list. So this is complimentary. If you ever do a service with you, this is what we do. All right, let me show you guys what we're doing. Again, just to recap, they bought this house and they are excited for it in Waterloo, Illinois. They're gonna replace this area here with just some hardwood, but we're gonna do this area here. We already got pre-treated, and then we're gonna agitate still. We've got this area here. And they had some spots in here I'll kind of show you. It's a kid's room. They have some blue here, right there. You guys can see some other little stuff there. The camera picked that up. And just, you know, you can tell it's a kid's room. So we're gonna get this as suspended. Then this is a polyester, but you guys can just see the trapper pattern. It just crushes and mats easy. Contractor grade. The reason why, it's made from plastic. That stuff does not hold up, but it's cheap, right? It's cheaper contractor grade. You can just tell because it never goes back to the original state in terms of twists. So we got Bridget gonna continue to agitate with the CRB. So we're going down here. We got these steps here, which were already pre-treated. Got these steps here. We already pre-treated and agitated, you can see with the CRB. Looks good. We're going to Scotch guard it when we're done. So we're going to extract this. We got this area here. In a big area like this, guys, we just count as 2 rooms. Typically go with the layout upstairs, but this is categorized as 2 rooms. Then we got this little area with the closet. And into here, I just counted that as 1 room. So we got a nice little area down here. Nice little entertaining space. And then I got this little area here, and of course, the bedroom down here as well. So, hit the wand there. Yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. And we're gonna go ahead and start the machine up and extract this, neutralize it, and then Scotch guard it. And another happy client, guys. I'm Ron with AOCleaning. You have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. All right, guys, we're steaming it out now. Just got steam. It's about 225 degrees right now. Got no window there. Get it back to the original condition. You guys are gonna have a great weekend, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I am one myself. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. That steam. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to finish up. Stay tuned.